Hello trader, welcome back to deeppocketsforex. We'll be giving you our weekly forex forecast. This is NZDCHF. For NZDCHF, this past week we forecasted this drop here. We said that we're expecting one more drop, breaking previous low, but you can see that we just got a slight drop here, which is just around this low, same level as this low. So this next week we're expecting this drop here to break this previous low all the way down to this level here. After we get this down move, then we can be expecting price to start moving up here, and the up move is expected to break this previous high. So if you're looking forward to trading NZDCHF, be on the lookout for this movement because it's expected to push all the way up after this drop is completed. That's what we can expect on NZDCHF. This drop, then price can move up. This is GBPUSD. Now for GBPUSD, this past weeks we're expecting a corrective structure here to move like this, a corrective structure to move down, or a movement to move impulsively all the way down, breaking this previous low here. That is what we're expecting on GBPUSD. But just as price was unfolding this previous week, we just have a structure here that shows that we are likely to get something like this on GBPUSD, a corrective structure, down move, breaking previous low, then we get an up move, then down move, breaking previous low up to around this area. Then from this area we are likely to move up, breaking this previous high here. That is what we can expect on GBPUSD. This down move that was expected to move impulsively, we're gonna get a movement moving correctively all the way down like we are illustrating here. Then we can have this up move breaking this previous high. So if you are looking for trading GBPUSD, it's still possible to trade this down move here as a correction, or you can trade this down move here, then look for an exit, and then you can look for another entry here, then look for an exit here. It's possible to do that, but if you'd like to trade only this up move, you can as well wait for this impulsive up move because it's a little bigger. So that is what we have on GBPUSD. This past week on NZDUSD, we'd hope to get this up move all the way up like this, a movement either to move impulsively or to just move like this all the way up. Now you can see that we got an impulse move, we got a pullback, we got this down up move, then we got a slight down move here. So what we can expect price maybe to give a slight corrective structure here, then we can expect price to move up this next week. That is what we can expect, or we can expect a drop here, a single drop slightly breaking this previous low, then price would just pivot up like that. This up move is expected, and it might not just be an impulse move like this, it might be price moving like up, moving like this, up, then up like this. So we can expect this structure here, we can expect price to unfold in this manner. That's on NZDUSD. This is a setup on EURGBP, which we shared a movement all the way down like this, all the way down. We also stated that there's a possibility that from here we might pivot up then drop, because we say that this bigger drop is expected here, so during the week in our inner circle we shared more down here, we shared more down here. So starting from here we said expect more down, and price is still expected to break lower a little bit. Then from here we can be reassessing structure. So if you're in the sell from here, you can make sure that you look for an exit right around this area, or right around this area you can look for an exit. And if you made sure to enter around this area, still you can be on the lookout. If we get one more drop, you can look for an exit around this area. That's on EURGBP. It's USDCHF. Now for USDCHF, we're still expecting this corrective structure to complete, then drop. Nothing has changed here. We're still expecting corrective structure to complete, then we can expect a drop. So if you're looking for trading this, you can be on the lookout for this last up move, then catch this drop here, catch the drop right from this area here, and then you can make sure to look for a drop, and price here will be expected to just move like this. That is what we can expect from USDCHF, and if you'd like to trade it this next week, be on the lookout for it. This is AUDJPY. Just as we shared it this previous week, we said we're expecting price to push all the way up. It's in our previous video, feel free to check it out. We said we're expecting price to push up like this. Now as you can see, based on how price is moving, we got an impulse move, a pullback, an impulse move here, and this next move we can expect a pullback such as this, and then another impulse move, and the impulse move is expected to be similar to this movement, but we're gonna get it here, breaking this previous high. So that is what we can expect on AUDJPY. If you are in this trade either from here or either from here, be sure to expect this up move to break previous high. We're still expecting more up on AUDJPY. This is USDCAD, and on USDCAD we previously got this drop here, and now we are to expect this up move here. We should to expect this up move here because structure is showing that. So this next week's we are looking forward for a pivot right around this zone here, Remember, from here at such obvious points of pivot points, we are to expect maybe some slight manipulation or price moving a little lower here, then price can start moving up. So we're expecting price to move like this. This is what we are to expect on USDCAD this next week. So be on the lookout if you are looking for to trade in this pair. This is GBPCHF. We are to expect a drop here, a drop breaking previous low. So that is what you are to expect here, a drop breaking previous low here. That is what we are to expect, and then after this drop here we can expect price to move up like this, break previous high and break previous high. That is what we are to expect on GBPCHF. This is gold, and you all know that for gold we've been forecasting this movement here. We've been forecasting every single movement here, up, down, up, down, up, and then we forecasted this drop here, we forecasted this corrective structure, we forecasted this drop here, and we forecasted this up move, we forecasted this drop here, and then from here we forecasted a pivot. We say that we're expecting price to move up from here, from this level here, and you can see that we got an impulse move, and then we got something like this during the week on the inner circle. We forecasted this drop here, and then that price is expected to move up from here, starting from here, and that is exactly what we got. Now, based on what we are getting here, structure has a chance to break lower, break previous low, and then still push up like this. That is what we're expecting on gold. Like some of you have been requesting, we decided to add volatility 75. So right now we have price moving down. There's a live chart, it's on the 1 hour, and we are to expect price to give something like this, kind of like a corrective structure here up to around this area, then drop. We're expecting price to push down up to around this area. So after price pushes down up to this area, we can expect continuation up, this up move here. The up move that we got here, we can expect it here, somewhere here. That is what we have on V75.